Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add more channels to your vidIQ account. Once you're inside the vidIQ, click the profile in the upper right hand side. Then towards the bottom, you'll find a section that says channels. It says add channels. So you can click on that and it's going to take you over to where you can easily go ahead and add channels. However, if you don't have a certain account, you will be asked to upgrade, and so you'll need to choose a plan that allows you to add more than one channel. So here it basically said if I want to add an additional channel, it's going to cost me this amount. So first I need to upgrade to the boost plan, which is 29, and here it's going to tell me that I would need to upgrade to boost to be able to add a second channel. So that's a total of $29, but of course unused time on the boost will basically give me a little deduction of almost $5, right? And that's it. All I have to do is go ahead and enter my card details, and then once I pay, I'll be able to add the second channel to my vidIQ account. But that's it.